Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the iPhone 12 mini. Let's get started. So the price in the UK is £749 as opposed to £820 in the USA. I got the white version, as you probably saw at the beginning of the video here. And this is the 128GB one. I was going to get the 256, but with the problems I had with the SE last year, I didn't bother because this is also a small phone with a small battery. So here we go, white version. It's showing up a little bit pink under my lights, but it is more of a creamy colour than usual. So in the box, the same as the iPhone 12 Pro, you've got the cable, and then you've got a little bit of documentation, Apple sticker, quick start guide, and a SIM ejection tool. Right, let's put that out of the way. On the front of the phone, we've got a little bit of paper, and I'll just have a look at the back. Only two cameras on this one because it's the mini and it's not a Pro version. Let's take the paper off. Okay, and let's do a comparison. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so you can see the size difference. And the iPhone Pro is in between these two phones. So the mini is the smallest. Same thickness as the 12 Pro Max. But as you can see, a vast difference in size. Right, let's start this one up. I just want to see, because I heard that the bezels are a little bit smaller on this one. So let's have a look, see if we can check that out. Okay, let's just, I'll fast forward this part. Right, it only took about 5 seconds anyway, but I fast forwarded it so you didn't have to wait. Right, bezels definitely. See if I can find something white so you can see. Let me think. Okay, that should do. Right, there we go. Yeah, definitely the bezels are much thinner. Probably about half the size of the iPhone Pro Max. iPhone 12 Pro Max. So that's nice. So you get even more screen size on the mini phone. And as you can see, the screen is a little bit more white, a whiter shade rather than the pinkish shade on the 12 Pro Max. Give you a few close-up images here. This is the camera at the top, and then this is the bottom camera. I've got the nano leaf lights, so I'm sorry about that. They're shining up different colours under the lights as they change. SIM ejection port with the SIM inside. No expansion or anything, just a nano SIM. The original and very useful mute switch for the sound. And there's the Apple logo on the back. Nice and reflective. And with a glossy back as well. 476 pixels per inch. So this is zoomed in many times. And it looks pretty good. Right, software version 14.4. Battery, it changed dramatically after the update. Now I'm talking 6 to 7 hours of daily usage, and that's much better than before. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.